Let's practice shopping English.
Yes, useful phrases for stores or markets.
First situation, entering a shop.
You might need help right away.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Or, I'm just looking, thanks.
Both are polite and common.
Yes, short and clear.
Next, asking about price.
Very important.
How much is this?
Or, how much are these?
You can also ask, do you have this item in stock?
That's useful if something looks empty.
Now imagine you want a different size or color.
What can you say?
Do you have this in a different size?
Or, do you have this in another color?
Short, polite, and gets the job done.
Exactly.
Next, trying on clothes or checking fit.
You might need a fitting room.
Can I try this on?
Yes, and sometimes, where is the fitting room?
That helps when you can't see it.
Stores are different, so it's good to ask.
What if you don't like something after trying?
You can say, it doesn't fit.
Or it doesn't suit me.
Both are natural.
Let's move to payment.
What do you ask?
Do you take credit cards?
Or, I'll pay in cash.
If you need a bag, you can ask, would you like a bag?
Actually, that's what the shop might ask you.
True. You answer, yes, please, or no, thanks.
Simple and polite.
Another scenario, returns or exchanges.
Sometimes you need this.
I'd like to return this.
Or, I'd like to change this for a different size.
If something doesn't work, say, it doesn't work or it doesn't fit.
And they may offer a refund or help.
You might also ask, could I speak to the manager?
That's for more serious problems.
Now a quick dialogue example for grocery shopping.
Yes, let's try it.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
It's in aisle 3 next to the noodles.
How much is this rice?
It's $5.
Thank you, I'll take one.
You're welcome.
Short, practical, and easy to remember.
Exactly what you want in real life.
One more, electronics or phone accessories.
Sure.
Do you sell headphones?
Yes, we do. They're over there.
Do you have any cheaper ones?
Yes, this model is cheaper.
I'll take this one. How much is it?
It's $30.
Perfect.
Now you've covered several real situations.
Shopping English is about clear questions and polite phrases.
You don't need long sentences.
Just short, useful expressions.
Use them in real shops and you'll improve fast.
Let's practice shopping at a clothing store.
Okay?
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What size are you?
Medium.
What color do you prefer?
Black or dark blue.
We have this one on sale.
How much is it?
It's $50.
Is there any discount?
Yes, 10% off.
That's good.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please.
The fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
How does it fit?
It's a little tight.
Would you like a larger size?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
This one fits better.
Great. Will you take it?
Yes, I'll take it.
Let's move to the cashier.
Okay.
Would you like to join our membership program?
What are the benefits?
You get points and special discounts.
Sounds interesting.
It's free to join.
Okay, I'll sign up.
Please enter your phone number.
Sure.
Your total is $45 after discount.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Keep the receipt in case you need a return.
How many days do I have?
7 days with receipt.
Good to know.
Now let's practice bargaining at a market.
That's common in some countries.
This bag is $20.
Can you lower the price?
How much do you offer?
$15.
18.
17?
Okay, deal.
Thank you.
Bargaining needs polite language.
And a friendly smile.
Remember useful phrases, is this on sale?
Can I get a discount?
Do you have something cheaper?
I'm just looking, thank you.
Shopping English is practical.
And easy with practice.